So guys, in the previous video I've made an alien in Photoshop with my Wacom pen tab. So I have thought that I will make a video on Wacom pen tab unboxing, so you can see how the pen tab looks, how you can use it, and how you can connect to your laptop or your computer. So hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Hatty video. So today I'm going to doing the unboxing of Wacom pen tab. So let's start. So guys, now when you will order your Wacom pen tab, it will be the box will be sent like this. Okay, so now you have to open the box. I have already opened it. So when you will open it, it will be like this, and you have to open it gently, or else your pen tab will get damaged. So here you have your Wacom pen tab. So you can see that here written Wacom, so you can understand it's Wacom pen tab, and the back is red, and this is very smooth. So now I have my pen here, pen tab's pen, and you have many nips in the pen. You can have the nip here. It's the stand. Okay, it's not Wacom stand. It's my another pen tab stand. Here inside it you can have this all nips. You have to buy this stand separately. I will give the link in the description. And after the pen comes the gloves. You can wear it like this, so that no scratch in the pen tab, so no scratch can be formed in the pen tab. Now I have this wire that you can connect to your laptop or desktop. So now I will show you how to connect this wire to your desktop or laptop. So guys, now I have my CPU here, and it's the wire of the Wacom pen tab. So now I will connect this wire at the front of the CPU here. 1 minute. Yes guys, see, now I've connected the wire. Now I will connect this to my pen tab. And guys, you always have to set the pen tab like this, that this Wacom label should come in your right side, and this wire you will attach here. So 1 minute. This light has come, and guys, the main thing, you have to download on your computer or laptop Wacom tablet properties, so your Wacom pen tab will work. So now I will show you how it works. So now I have my pen tab ready, and I have wear these gloves, and I have the pen. Now you can move it like this to move your cursor, and you can click it like this to select anything, and you can do it like this to draw colors. So it's easy. So you can buy. My link is this buying link is in the description. How to buy these gloves, this pen stand, and these nips. These all are in the description, so please check the description. And for today's enough. We will meet on the next video. Till then, take care everybody, and bye bye. And guys, handle this pen tab carefully. Thank you.